feel?
Hello Francesca, how do you feel today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today in Naples the sun is shining and there's a temperature of 26 degrees. At 11 a.m. you have a brunch with Anna and at 5 p.m. a meeting with Ciro.
Okay, please move the meeting with Ciro at 7 p.m.
Okay, Francesca. Your meeting with Ciro is now planned at 7 p.m.
Okay, thank you.